Hello, in this video I will show you how you can manage your profile. First, click on the Manage Signatures button in the Empower Mail section. In the drop-down, choose Profiles. As the profile overview opens, you can see that there is already a default profile set up for you. The information displayed is gathered from the Active Directory. To edit the default profile, click on the pencil in the right-hand corner. Fields with the two gray circles are connected to the Active Directory and are automatically updated once the data changes. If you want to edit the information, click on the symbol, and the field will immediately be disconnected from the Active Directory. Now you can fill out the field to your liking. When you are done editing your profile, click on OK and the changes will be saved. You can also create translations of your default profile. If you want to set them up, click in the field next to the default profile and select the language you want to translate your profile in. Now your default profile is open again, and you can make the adjustments in the same way as described before with the default profile. Just click on the gray symbols within the fields you'd like to adjust and then fill in the translation. After you're done, click OK. And the new translated profile will be saved and displayed next to the default profile. You can also add referenced profiles in your profile overview. Type in the name of your chosen colleague into the search bar on the left and click Search. In the sidebar, you will then see all found profiles under this name. And you can add the profile by clicking on this plus sign. You cannot, however, edit your colleagues' profiles.